According to information published by Tass on April 26, 2022, Still-1 anti-aircraft missiles fired by the Admiral Essen Frigate downed a Bayraktar drone over the Black Sea on April 12. The new missiles confirmed counter-drone effectiveness. The drone was conducting reconnaissance over the peninsula and monitored Russian warships and ground forces. The ministry released the footage of the missile launch. Another two Project 11356 frigates, the Admiral Grigorovich and the Admiral Makarov, are armed with Still. The three frigates, including Admiral Essen, have a cruising capacity of 30 days. Besides Still-1, they are also armed with caliber missiles, a 190 universal artillery gun, 553 mm torpedoes, and RBU 6000 anti-submarine rocket launcher. The multi-channel seaborne Still-1 destroys air targets at a range of 50 km and altitudes of 5 meters to 15 km. It provides ground defense of warships against modern fighter jets, drones, anti-ship, and anti-radar missiles. Still-1 can strike at warships and small vessels and track and attack from 2 to 12 targets. The outstanding characteristics are due to the innovative vertical launcher 3S90E.1 supplied by Technodynamica Holding for Admiral Essen in November 2014. It considerably decreased the radar signature of the frigate and increased the rate of anti-aircraft fire 6 times. The launcher has a small size and weight. It was designed by the Yaskin Start Enterprise and is a development of the Still complex. The design was changed for the launcher to fit into corvettes. The modular design helped vary the number of launchers depending on the class of warships. They can be installed in the bow and stern. Still-1 of the frigate has 24 transportation launch containers with 1 missile each. Still-1 can fire the missiles at an interval of 2 seconds. Previous complexes with T-slot launchers needed 12 seconds for the second launch. The launchers are located under the deck to decrease the radar signature of the warship. Still-1 fires a guided 9M317Me missile, which is a development of the ground-based Buk missile. It has one stage and control fins of 820 mm span in the back. The missile is powered by a solid fuel engine. Admiral Essen is a frigate of the Admiral Grigorovich class of the Russian Navy, named in honor of Admiral Nikolai Ottovich von Essen. Construction was begun in 2011 and the ship was launched in 2014. It is based with the Black Sea Fleet at Sevastopol.